we are going to demonstrate a very unique property. We have taken a bottle containing water and we will invert this bottle over these hard objects and we'll place it here. Now we'll place multiple coin under the bottle containing water and we'll find that the water does not fall. Now we'll place the coins under the water and both sides will do. We have successfully done one. Now we'll try to do with the second coin. Now the second coin also we have successfully done on both sides. Now you have seen that the water in the bottle is not falling down, though a empty gap is there. We can see an empty gap is there. The water is still within the bottle and we have placed two coins on both sides and we will find that the water is not falling. This is due to the surface tension. The surface tension between the water molecules is strong enough to hold the amount of the water in the bottle.